Hello, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 22. One feels like yesterday, no joke. And I didn't go to boot camp yesterday because you know what? I was just tired, and so I slept in, and it felt really good. But I have a bunch of things and errands to run today over in this area where I work out in, so I'm like, I guess I'll go work out. I'll be a good girl today. Let's do this.
Foodie Friday.
A sweaty one because they're closed for Christmas Eve and Christmas, so this is my last workout before Christmas. I didn't even realize, so I'm really glad I didn't miss it. But I feel so bad because as I was getting in my car, this lady was like getting pulled over. So let me give you a play-by-play of what I saw. So there was a man just like standing right there. He had socks and flip-flops on. Like I was like, what is this guy doing? And all of a sudden a Prius comes barreling up right here and it stops. And I was like, whoa, that was fast. And then all of a sudden a motorcycle cop came up and stopped right behind her and was like, oh shoot. I was like, was she kind of trying to run away from this motorcycle cop? And then the guy went to get in the car and opened the door, but then noticed the motorcycle cop and then kind of stepped back and I was like, what's going on? And then all of a sudden kids were getting out of the car and she handed him some kind of lunch, and then the kids and the guy went inside that building, and then she pulled into this parking spot right here, and the cop followed her over here and he like parked right behind her, and then I'm just sitting here, I'm like, what's happening? And then I'm pretty sure he let her go because it was too fast to give her a ticket. I think he probably just gave her a strongly worded talking to, because then he took off super fast this way around me, and I'm just sitting here like, what is going on? I hope you enjoyed that little play-by-play of what I just witnessed. I'm glad she didn't get a ticket right before Christmas because that's no fun. Woo! Okay, so I've gone to a few stores already. I'm like almost done. I just need to pick up a few more things and then I should be just like done. I hope, but I'm about to be very brave and go to Costco. But thank goodness, like I found a spot like right when I came in. I'm just like a little farther away, but I don't care. I pulled into where Costco is and I found a spot. That's all I care about. People are just like circling all around. Wish me luck. Found a spot. Just waiting for the boat parade. Woo! Woo! Like your jams. Oh, it's Snapchat. It's not Snapchat.
Merry Christmas!
This is the actual star. Here we go. Ooh, look at that dolphin. Oh yeah.
Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Wow, it's our first dock of the night. Come on, be louder than that. Merry Christmas! There we go. Welcome to the boat parade.
First dock.
Friday night, it's the weekend. All your shopping is done, I'm sure. Or not. That's okay. Merry Christmas and welcome to the boat parade.
Just love being part of the parade. You guys make it special. Little roller coaster too. We stole this whole thing from the Balboa Fun Zone. Merry Christmas, baby. We see in the doorway. Come on, arms in the air. Happy holidays.
Oh, look at little Sienna. Rudolph, give me back in the boat.
The shark. There's a shark.
Alexa, turn on the Christmas lights.
This little guy.
I like him.
I'm all about this.
Oh, wow. That's cool. I appreciate that.
Look at this tiny little guy.
Arr.
Compared to this little guy. Yeah, guys, do it.
I think they're sinking. They're sinking. I love it.
Number one! Number one!
Number one! Number one! We're now going to go to dinner at Olea. We've never been. And it's Friday, and we like to do fun Foodie Fridays where we go someplace new, so I'm excited. Cheers! Merry Christmas!
You life. Vlogmas. Tomatoes as well.
Oh, yeah!
And onions coming out shortly.
That's a water bottle I didn't know that was there, but now I do. Did you see that now there's 2 balls hidden? Oh my gosh, 3 balls! I didn't even know. You can do it. You can do it. Good girl. You're so funny. She knocks all my pillows off every time we come home from anywhere. You're just such a silly girl. So we just got home from our fun adventures and we had a blast. The parade was awesome. We find like a secret place to sit every single time. Can't tell you where it is, otherwise everyone would go. It's a secret. Shh. But yeah, we had so much fun. Dinner was amazing afterwards, but I'm ready to go to bed. I'm tired. I have lots and lots of presents to wrap because I have the goal. I was trying to do it yesterday, I was trying to do it today, and I have the goal of getting them done before Christmas Eve. So I can do it. I have tomorrow. Tomorrow is present wrapping day. See you then.